Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Juan of JUANminiDIY. And today we will be reviewing our Titan case. Okay, so this is the Titan case, the biggest of the bunch. This is for my client in US. He requested a custom layout. As you can see, there's so many buttons. This is your standard hitbox buttons. And he also added some buttons here. I'm not really sure what are those, but all I know, these buttons are directions also, and this one too. And these black buttons are L3 and R3, and some of them are just duplicate of the standard action buttons. Here's the aux buttons. I believe this is the touchpad, PS, share, and option buttons for PS5. And type C power LED indicator. At the back there's an art as well. The art was provided by the client, and this Titan case has a carry handle, so you can carry it while waiting for your turn in the tournament. It's a very handy fight case. You can just bring it anywhere without putting it in your bag or something just to keep it. This carry handle will help you traveling. Only in Titan case. You cannot find this carry handle on our other case designs. And also, the PCB of this Fightstick, we use a JMD Custom GP2040 CE fighting board with a PS5 converter. It's compatible with PC, Switch, PS4, and PS5. Alright. There's the JUANminiDIY heat stamp for authenticity. There you go. Titan case by JUANminiDIY. Estimate cost 14 to 15,000 pesos or 260 bucks USD. Alright. If you want to have a customized controller like this, you can just visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/JUANminiDIY and message us. You can customize the layout, the buttons, the motherboard, the case, everything is customizable. So it's up to you. Just visit our page and let's make your dream fight stick. Okay? There you go. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless. Rock on.